I just lost $300 in like 15 seconds. I'm supposed to go to site now, but I cannot even go. I'm tired, bro. Why did I lose this money? $300. And that's my last card. Fuck. That was me in camp in November 2023 when I had no knowledge about Forex. And guess what? I didn't lose that money trading normal currency pairs, all these USD JPY. No. Guess what I was trading? Synthetics. Crash, boom and crash. Derive. If you guys know what I'm talking about, derive, boom and crash. That's what I'm trading that time. Yeah. You see, I'm a fresh graduate out of the university looking for what to do, you know, how to make money, how to become. I was doing well for myself because I had a business that I was doing, which was fetching me normal living cash, normal thing that I can use to sustain myself. But I wanted more. So I was just in my room that day, right? In a rented apartment, and we are many, you know, we have many neighbors. And I was just in my room, and this guy, we've already been talking and all of that. He's my neighbor. And he came in. It was like, see, we were having a conversation, and he just showed me a particular trade that he was in. And that trade was in profit. I think probably about $300 profit. And I was like, what? You're in this house, and we gotta do this house, and you are making this kind of money. And I'm not making any. How? Guy, what are you doing? And then he showed me. And lo and behold, I saw boom and crash. And he said boom goes like this, crash. It was a crazy moment. Look, at that moment, I just wanted to just hop in. I just wanted to make that same money that he was making. I was like, no, you have to teach me this thing. And funniest thing, he also don't know anything about real Forex. He also doesn't have real knowledge about Forex. He just wanted to, like, you know, make money fast too. I don't know how he does it. So he said, oh, this is how you do it. You download MT5, you fund your account, you do this and that. I was like, oh, really? This is nice. I downloaded MT5. I deposited around, let's say, $20 or so. No, I deposited $50 at first, right? And on that same day, I deposited $50. I first lost like $37. I don't know what loss size is. I don't know what pip is. I don't know anything. So I deposited $50. I lost about $37. I was like, what the heck is this? I quickly removed my money. And you see, something about boom and crash, if you know what I'm talking about, boom is the chart to just go boom once. You know how NFP used to spike? That's how every chart, like, it's be coming down like this, then just one boom, it just go. So if you're lucky to enter at the lowest part before he boom, then you make a lot of money. And that's how you can lose money too. If you are selling and making small money and say, okay, let me quickly get out, just 3 moves, I'll get out. Then you see boom, the account is gone. So it was so crazy. From that boom, I just made some quick $300. I was like, wow, this is so easy. I made money, this and that. I was so happy in camp. The next thing, I was greedy. Because, you know, I don't know. I didn't know risk management. I don't know what psychology is. I don't know. I was like, oh, I can make more. And I just, I entered the game. The next thing I see is, boom. He first took out like 90. I was like, you go back now. You go back. I see another, boom. I see another 90. I was like, should I remove this thing, this and that? I removed it. I removed like 180 or so out of $300. So as I removed it, I was so scared that that was in $300. How did I come back to $100? What's happening now? So I had to like go harder. So I entered 2 positions. You know, that was 1 positions, right? I entered 2 positions so that it will recover my money immediately. Like, I mean, it was not up to 15 seconds. I could record very well. The next thing, boom. I just saw 0 in my account. I was like, what just happened? Where is my money? Like, how did this? It was a very crazy experience, right? Like, I was so that was why I just sat back, because I was supposed to go for Said, one program like that in NYC. So I just sat back in my room and everybody is gone already. I just sat back and I was thinking, like, what the heck just happened? Like, how did I do? How? I just could not fathom it. Like, how? So that's what now cheered me that no, I have to know some things about this Forex. I cannot just lose $300 in like 15 seconds. Like, am I mad? So So I reached out to my supposed mentor, that guy that I saw in my room that came. So I told him, bro, I need to learn this thing for real. Like, I've been losing too much. And if I want to learn real Forex, guess what he told me? He said I should bring $50. He said I should pay him. This is how you know that a lot of people that you think knows how to trade, that are your mentor, are actually really struggling. I got to know later that he does not know anything. I didn't pay him though. I was wise enough not to pay him because I looked at his life and I was like, this one, what do you want to teach me? So after then I went on YouTube. It doesn't actually make me maximize my losses because, bro, YouTube fucked me up. No, let me be clear. Not like YouTube fucks me up. Like, don't go on YouTube to learn, but use YouTube as a substitute or as a complement to a good mentor, a right mentor. I went on YouTube without no mentor and I started learning, thinking I'm learning. And one thing is, what I found on YouTube was so many. Like, I found different strategies, I found different methods, I found different, peers, different ideologies. And I was like, I thought I know how to trade. You get? I begin to understand some things that, trend line, okay, this one is downtrend, okay, this one is ranging market. I thought it was the end of market and now I'm a guru. But what happens? The series of loss I had, I mean, how much I lost after that time, it was so, I lost my rent. Like, after losing all my savings, I lost my rent, I lost the money that I budgeted for something else entirely. So it was a roller coaster of losses after that. But what was I supposed to have done? I should have gotten a mentor, like a good mentor. But if you really look at it, these mentors are not cheap. I actually later, after those YouTube phase, YouTube was a phase. After that YouTube phase, I went in search of a mentor and I met this guy, O1C. They said he's a student of DAX that is now successful. So I was like, DAX is too much. I cannot pay $200. Let me go and meet O1C. That time, O1C was doing a discount of, I think, 30,000 to join the group. And I thought, I found the right mentor. I found someone that will finally teach me, He was asking us to join like as if he would mentor us. And truly, he did try for us, actually. So I paid the 30,000 and I was joined to his group. I was added to his group and I saw a lot of things. I saw a session videos, like a session where there are videos. I'll show you here. So videos of the analysis of chart and everything. I saw the general group. There is crypto group. There is Forex group. There is different kind of group. The synthetics group. So I was like, wow. I joined. I started watching the videos. I got improved. But I don't know anything about psychology still. I don't even know that there's something they call psychology in market. So after that one too, I lost because O1C is known for flipping accounts. He can flip $2 to $10,000. Do you get? So I thought I could do that too. But I kept losing until I lost my rent. I lost money budgeted for different things. I lost food money. I could not afford food, bro. Like, I look so tattered. Like, when people see me, they'll be like, yo, are you sick or something? What's wrong with you? I lost all the money I had. Like, it sent me back to square one. Just because I didn't have a mentor. Now, after those phases, and I went in search of a real mentor. And when I know Dax is a real mentor, Dax said he can take me one-on-one. But guess how much he said? Guess how much he called mentorship? $2,000. If I have $2,000, I will not be trading. I will not be chasing Forex. I would have gone and built one mansion in Ikoyi. I mean, that's exaggeration, but I mean, I don't have $2,000 to pay for private mentorship. It's too much. Do you get? So I could not afford that. Now I first chill. I could not pay my rent, so I was chased out of my house. So I chilled. I waited. I said, no, Forex, stay one side. Let me balance my life also. I started getting myself back. That was when I did a lot of content about, Forex is, don't do Forex, this and that. So after a while, I start knowing about psychology. That psychology is the main, the most important thing in Forex. Like, it covers 80% of Forex. So I started learning about that. After I got to know about some psychology, I tried to use the psychology or more psychology, psycho. Like, there is nothing, it's not working out for me. Do you get? So I continue struggling to get this psychology. But till today, if I tell you that I'm still struggling with psychology, I'm just way better. I'm way better from when I started. So my give to you advice, like my topmost advice to you, if you are a trader in my situation, is number one, patience is virtue. When they say patience is virtue, in real life normally it's different in forex. I mean, patience is actually virtue. And the virtue is not like, okay, you run astray or something, or you become a bad boy. This virtue is you will die. You will just, you will lose all your money. Do you get? So, patience is your number one friend. Number one, be patient in the chat. Do not just want to trade, and even if you miss a whole setup that you now see that you miss your own, leave it. Be patient. Another one will come. That's how you train this psychology. Do you get? Number two is that you have to know how to risk. I mean, risk management. You have to go and learn it. You have to know how to risk. You can see. Okay, this is what people don't used to understand, because a lot of people that want to trade do not have a lot of money. So let's say you want to risk $20 and you are making $1, $2. Well, that was a stage in my trading journey too. I only had $20, so when I was actually making progress. I was making $1, $2, but I was like, nah, this is not what I want. How will I be making $1 and my mate are making $100, $1,000, $20,000 per day, and I'm in the same trade, the same setup, the same thing, and I'm making $1, $2. Like, do you get? That was a phase in my trading too. So at the end of the day, I will get tired and then I will blow the account. I will get tired and I will blow the account. So it was a phase that I had to. But now, even if I have $20 and I'm making $1, $2, I will leave it like that, because that's like the right way to trade. Risk management. I don't know if you get. Trade that $20 first. Trade it to like $50 with risk management first. Then you know that you have known how to trade. Then you can handle bigger accounts. Do you understand? That's number one. Number two, biggest advice. Number three, get a mentor. No matter what you see, I know mentors are not cheap, but try and pay for someone that you know, that not like Harvey Forex and Jeff Benson. You know, if you go and pay for those ones, they will just add you to group and they will not do anything. Pay for all these upcoming traders that are willing to mentor people. Bro, that's your best option in life, because those ones, they are not yet big, so their money will not be much. They will not ask you for $100, max $50. If it's more than $50, don't do it. Then after that, you will meet, he will be able to sacrifice his time for you, because it's not that big yet, but he knows what he's doing. But confirm well before you pay for any mentorship. Confirm that he is a good trader, profitable. I mean, do you understand? So that's all about what I want to say about my journey. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please like and share this content to all traders out there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks.